The Academy of Language Therapy and Life Coaching, Motivation and Mindset for Leadership, Issue and Session 31, The Standards of Life. All of the small actions eventually add up to something bigger. The tree struck 1,000 times in the same place has a greater probability of being felled than random strikes at random times. Every mountain is another level of challenge. Each situation presents itself with its own unique problems and with its own nuances. Excellence is the result of immense plans broken down into manageable tasks. Quality will bring you to quantity. Action feeds your abilities. Searching for right is probably more important than being right. To some, flags and emblems are just as important as bells and whistles. Seek indicators. Justice is different for different people in different situations. Time teaches us to wait. Patience prevents judgment. To hustle is just another term for searching for how to provide value. Markets should be competitive. They should encourage you to always be working on yourself. Sales is no different from fitness. It's an everyday challenge. It's an opportunity to grow. It's a chance to reach out and touch. Recommendation defeats the regulation. Let your audience be involved in your decisions. Wander for a while. Think for a moment. What is the problem that you want to solve? How do you truly wish to evolve? Business is a million ways to fill days. It is arduous at times. You should understand the role that you wish your work to play in your life. What you do and who you do it for matters. Principles. 1. The level of happiness is usually obvious. 2. Brand is something that resonates personality. 3. Helping helps with help. 4. Be aware when what you do consumes you. 5. Reality is required to be checked and changed. 6. It's the impact that makes the impression. 7. Show people how and tell them why. 8. Start before you are ready and finish after you are done. The model has to be practical. It has to be factual. You have to do what you can before you can do what you want to do. The way forward is a crash as much as it is a course. Accidents are daily circumstances. Everybody will want to have their say, but never let the words get in the way. Prepare for the slings and arrows and stones. Awareness comes before you can effectively care about anything. You must do what you need to do for you. The quest for validation will kill your creative spark and dampen the fire of life. Immerse yourself in a world where honesty has the greatest influence. There is nothing worth fighting for more than what your experience has confirmed is the truth. It is always all right to fight for what is right when you love what you do. Fear and hate usually drive you away from your present state. The wrong perspective will keep you awake. When all is said and done, the end is not usually the end. Mistakes are easy to make when rules are easy to break. Never love your friendship more than you love your friend. Be aware of the effects of your actions. Never love the ship more than the crew. This is motivation and mindset for leadership. If you're interested in an online lifestyle consultation, then please contact the Academy of Language Therapy and Life Coaching. Wherever you are, I wish you a fantastic day